Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are here at the shopping center. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. It is already 2, 2:28. Yeah, we did 110 today. And look, there is a Suzuki Jimny. And I'm actually going to wait for the owner of this one. Because I'm going to give these two pieces of a keyhole cover. Yeah, to put on both both door. If you can see, yeah, the metal parts of the door, this is going to be the cover of that. I'm actually selling these things in Amazon before. I still have a lot until now. Yeah, I bought 100 pair from China, and then yeah, delivered to Amazon. But yeah, I failed. I mean, I don't sell a lot, and so I pull it out. Yeah, and now I have it in my storage. Yeah, if you want to buy, I can deliver it to you. Yeah, $20. Or if you just want to ask for something like for this, I will give you for free. Yeah, just message me in Facebook, and then come here in the Bay Area and I will give it to you. I have a lot. Oh, actually yesterday morning when I switched on the fridge to put the food, the fried fish. Yeah, it is being powered by the power station. Yeah, when I plug it in, it was 91%. And now it is just 13%. Yeah, it's been 20 hours since I plug it in into the power station. And the power station still has 13%. That is probably going to last for 5 more hours. I think I've been here for 30 minutes now, and the owner of the gym is still not coming. I'm actually going to the barber shop, yeah, to cut the hair this side. I probably gave more than 20 pieces of already, yeah, of this keyhole cover. Yeah, because before, yeah, actually whenever I had a chance, yeah, especially at the gym, whenever there is a Suzuki Jimny, yeah, I am giving this. Look at that, there is another Suzuki Jimny on that side. Yeah, the same color of this one, but that one has a roof rack and already has a keyhole cover. Yeah, very nice. Oh, I don't want to wait anymore. Yeah, I'm going to have my hair cut. Oh, this is the new hair. But when the barber showed me when the barber showed me the back with the mirror, yeah, I saw my bulb on this side. It's not good, but what to do? I was actually rushing to be able to catch the owner of the Suzuki Jimny, but yeah, still there, the Suzuki Jimny. I'm going back to the grocery to buy something. Actually, a battery. Oh, yeah, a battery for AirTag. I got this one. This is a CR2032. What? Yeah, CR2032, and it's at $14, 3 pieces. So this is my AirTag. Yeah, I put a tape and then push and move it clockwise, and it's open. This is the battery, and this is the new one. I actually have 4 pieces of air tag, so all of them need to change the battery. It shows on the phone that it's low bat already. Probably the owner is working inside, not watching a movie because there's no cinema inside, or maybe somewhere around. And I actually bought a copy. Small long block. I don't know how much, I did not check, I just bought it. And the beautiful lady asked me if I want to put some water to make it a little cooler. I said no. I want to explain, but I am shy with my English. Yeah, I want to say that no, I like it hot because I want to drink it longer. I am actually going to Sydney today to meet John and Charlene. Yeah, they took the cruise ship from Brisbane to Sydney. I don't know how many days is that. Yeah, cruise ship. We are also going to experience that cruise ship in the future. It is now 4:13 and I'm still waiting for the owner of this. And yeah, the fridge is still working. And the power station just 8%. But I'm going to charge that power station through the cigarette lighter later when I am driving to Sydney. Oh, it is now 5:41. I just left from the car park, and yeah, the owner of the Suzuki Jimny is a lady. Yeah, she just said thank you. And I just put some gas. Now it's a full tank again. Oh, yeah, it's not showing. I need to switch on the engine. Yeah, full tank again. I paid $83. Yeah, it's one half full. Let me show you how many more it is. 7% more. Yeah, it's still powering my fridge. I don't know if it is going to power the fridge while charging this battery. So I have this plug-in connected to the power station to charge it, and then the fridge is currently powered by this power station. Switch on the engine. Oh yeah, it works. And yeah, it is going to be charging. I'll be driving all the way to Sydney. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, after over 2 hours of driving, yeah, I'm now here in Sydney area. I just don't know the exact location. I haven't checked my phone yet. Just now I'm going to check. Oh, we are near to the St. Leonard's train station. I never been here. Yeah, the battery now, the power station is now 39%. Yeah, for over 2 hours of driving. Yeah, it is started as 7%. It takes time to charge when you are charging it with the with the vehicle when driving. But if you are going to charge it using the wall outlet, it will be just over 1 hour and will be 100% fully charged. I was not using the GPS, I was just driving because I want to charge that one, and there is just one outlet for the 12 volts outlet. Okay, we are now out here. Yeah, St. Leonard's, the name of this place. There is a train station over there. And I just checked in the Google map that there is a KFC and Anytime Fitness. Yeah, I'm going to the gym to take a shower. Yeah, I am going also to do a little workout. This is how it is. Yeah, the KFC is actually over there, and yeah, McDonald's. But I need to go to the toilet first. This original tenders box. The one with the chicken popcorn and chicken tenders. Gravy mashed potato. This is $14. Yo, good morning everyone. Yo, we are now here at the Barangaro car park. And yeah, I did not sleep here. This car park just opened. Actually 6 o'clock. Is the one that I booked is 6 o'clock. It is now 5:54. I sleep in the street near where I parked the car last night in St. Reynolds. Yeah, there. Not have a good sleep because from time to time there are trucks passing through. But it's alright. And I am now preparing a breakfast. Yeah, this is the one that is coming from Stanley and Sarah Jane. And it actually comes with the seasonings and this egg. According to this one is egg black. I'm having this now. It's spicy.